Welcome back. In this video we will be like continuing from where we left off. We just added this color and we'll be adding the content now. This sale looks really pretty to me. So how do I recreate that? So first thing I'll do is I'll just start with basic elements. I'll go to elements and I'll select the shapes. So wherever you want to add the shape on that page, you need to click first. So this blue colored line appears which says that this page is already selected. Once the page is selected, you add the shapes over here. So I will add a shape and change the size. Yeah, I think it looks similar. What I can also do is I can move it and I can just, yeah, I can do the exact size. It's, yeah, it looks almost similar to me now. Okay. Now what I'll do is I'll just copy it. For copying, I'll just do the right click in the mouse, or I can also do Command C, whatever fits you, you can do that. Okay. Once you're copied, you have to just drag and drop them. So the space is like very little, so you have to be very careful. Yes. Now you might say that, okay, but this doesn't look anyway like this. So yes, I can add color to that one. So I'll just add black color. Yeah. Another thing that you can do is you can like either select this small like you can create small rectangles like this, and you can have 4 rectangles in a row, or you can create one rectangle and put a line in between. So I'll just go for the line because line has thinner capabilities. So I'll just go back to the elements. In the elements I can have line, and here I already have the line now. So I'll just drag it like this and make it lengthier. Once I have the line, I'll just change the color first. So what I'll do is I'll use the same color, and yes, yeah, okay, looks a bit similar to this now. Yes, okay. I think the line should be a little thicker, so I'll just go here and add some line weight. Yeah, sounds better. Yeah. So going back to what we have already created. So first thing is you can just lock everything by just control and selecting this, and then you can lock them. This way you won't be changing them frequently. What I'll be doing now is I'll be creating them again beneath, as we have 2 sales. I'll align them later point. Okay, I'll color them in black. You just select them and then you select the color that makes it black. Okay, we are good to go. Them properly, I'll just minimize the screen, and what I'll do is I'll just increase the size a little bit from here onwards, so that I can change the sizes very properly now. Yeah, see, I can also see some dark place over here. So okay, this is locked, so I'll just unlock it first, and then I can drag it a little bit. I can even drag it till here because anyway it's the same color. Okay, so I think the spaces between all of these are equal to these now. So I'll copy this line and I'll paste it and then drag and drop. Yeah, looks good to me.